Okay, real simple. This is just how to use the eraser tool to fine tune any kind of edges that you need to erase. So in the last video, I showed you how to cut out the shoe with your lasso tool up here. Now it looks like I was kind of sloppy in my cutout, so I want to find my eraser tool, which is if you click the down menu on the paintbrush, it's hidden below there. It's the eraser tool. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to get rid of like the little white edges that are kind of sloppy. So to do that first, before I start erasing, I'm going to use my magnifying glass, and I'm going to zoom in so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to use my move tool to move it. So I'm going to erase these little edges down here. So I'm going to go back to my eraser tool, and now I can just start erasing real carefully the section that I want to be removed. You can change the size of your brush. Say like you want to get more detailed, you can make it smaller, or if you know you have a larger area to erase, you can make it bigger, like up here, up by the laces. I can erase all that. So make it real detailed so that you look like you're a professional. Okay, so that's going to help you with eraser to erase anything you don't want in your image. And then again, to check out your progress, just go back to the magnifying tool, click on the minus button to zoom out, and you'll see kind of where you're at. Looks like I still have a lot of work to do. Okay, so just keep going until that shoe looks like we don't even know that you made a cutout on it. Okay, and that's that. Good luck on your challenge.